Good morning class 10. Today we will do question number 8, 9 and 11 of exercise 10.2. Question number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Now here this is a circle and a quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribing the circle. Means the quadrilateral ABCD is outside the circle but all the sides are touching to the circle. Now what we have to show? We have to show that the sum of the opposite sides AB plus CD, the sum of the opposite sides are equal if a quadrilateral touch any circle. Now see here, ABCD will be the external points and AP, AS, BP, BQ, CQ, CR, DR and DS. These all are likes the tangent from the external points A, B, C, D respectively. Now from here we can see A is external point and AP and AS are the two tangents drawn from an external point A. Now according to theorem 10.2, the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal in length. So we can say AP is equal to AS. AP is equal to AS. Similarly, if B is the external point, we can write BP is equal to BQ for the second equation. C is the external point. CR is equal to CQ. This will be the third equation. And from here DR is equal to DS. This is the fourth equation. Now please note that you will write AP, BP, RC and DR into the left side and AS, BQ, CQ and DS into the right hand side. Now adding all the four equations, AP plus BP plus RC plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Now AP plus BP is AB and RC plus DR is CD. And AS plus DS, it is AD and BQ plus CQ is BC. So it is proved that the sum of the opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal if the quadrilateral is circumscribing a circle. Now question number 11 is related with question number 8. Prove that a parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Now this time that quadrilateral is given parallelogram that is circumscribing a circle. You have to show that parallelogram is a rhombus. Now we will do the same procedure as we have done in question number 8. You will do also in question number 11. Here again I have made the figure ABCD, but now this is a parallelogram, not a simple quadrilateral. PQRS are the points of contacts. And here I have used the result of question number 8. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Now, as ABCD is a parallelogram, so we can say AB is equal to CD. So I have written AB at the place of CD. AB plus AB. And AD plus BC. Now, BC is equal to AD because of the parallelogram. So AD plus AD, twice of AB is equal to twice of AD. Cancel out 2 by 2. So AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD. But AD was equal to BC and AB was equal to DC. It means AB is equal to AD is equal to BC is equal to CD. Means all the sides are equal. If all the sides are equal, then ABCD is a rhombus. Now, question number 9. According to question number 9, in the figure, XY and X dash Y dash are the two parallel tangents to a circle with the center O and the another tangent AB with the point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B, then prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Now this is a circle, xy and x dash y dash. These are the two tangents which are parallel, and P and Q are the point of contact. Now here PQ is diameter. Here this AB is the another tangent and C is the point of contact. Now you have to show that the angle AOB means this angle is of 90 degree. You have to show this. Now for this what I have done, I have joined OC. Now for this point here, A is the external point, so AC and AP both are the equal tangents. Now I am taking triangle POY and triangle COY. I am taking this, at the place of Y I am taking A point. XY is a tangent. I have taken a point A on XY, so I will take POA triangle and COA triangle. I am taking these two triangles. Now see, PO is equal to OC, equal radii. PA is equal to CA, equal tangents. OA is equal to OA, common. So by side criteria, both triangles are congruent. By CPCT, we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, we can prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4. In the same pattern, we can prove it. Now, POQ, this is a straight line. So, we can say angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is 180 degree. Now, twice of angle 2 plus twice of angle 3. Because angle 1 and 2 was equal, angle 3 and angle 4 was equal. So, twice of angle 2 plus twice of angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. I have taken 2 as a common. So, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. And angle 2 plus angle 3 is forming angle AOB. So, angle AOB is 90 degree.